Hello and welcome to ELITECAD at Work. Today I'll show you the advantages of using project templates. Project settings, sections, views, structure settings and so on are set or saved directly in the project template and I no longer need to worry about them. Though even for larger projects, I have a finished project draft in a very short time. When I start ELITECAD, the familiar welcome screen appears. Here I can find the tab with my recently loaded files, but also the project templates tab. The country-specific project templates can be seen here, but you can also create your own project templates at any time. Here we have some templates with different numbers of structures and would like to use the project template with 4 structures today. So I select it and the project settings window opens automatically. I assign the title of my project here, ELITECAD at Work. I can also choose the standard, add an address or any description. When I confirm with OK, I choose the name of my drawing, save this, and then I'm ready to start. In the first step, I open the structure settings and see immediately that my 4 structures are already listed here, as it should be in my project template for 4 structures. They are also already visible in the Story Manager. We have the views, sections, plan views, plots, layout templates already automatically available in the View Manager, and the best thing about it, these are always updated automatically throughout the project. In addition, I have the standard layers, which of course can also be individually expanded. Then I can start planning. The easiest way, of course, is to automatically create the structure with the Create Structure function. I draw any polygon on my work plane, or I create the rectangle by entering the dimensions and choose a reference point. I can now repeat this as often as I want. I quickly do it 4 times. I have selected the corresponding project template for 4 structures anyway. And then you can immediately see that it is really quick and easy, even with more than 1 structure. I now turn and tilt my model, so you can better follow what is happening next. In order to quickly and easily create structures from this, I select the corresponding function. I can define or set the walls, slabs and the dimensions here. Today I want an outer wall, a sloped slab, and the number of dimensions should be 3. I define the details and then click OK. And with a click on the outline, the structure is generated according to my settings. So after a few seconds of click, I have the first rough draw of my project. I'm now repeating this for all structures. I can also switch to the 3D view and see immediately that the correct number of stories in the building has been created. That was all already set in my project template. So after a few minutes, we have the first 3D structures and 2D plans. As mentioned before, all views and sections are updated automatically. I don't have to make any more settings here, we have everything available. As you can see, working with project templates has many advantages. I can also easily create some myself, and in no time I have a project draft that can already be presented. Simple, fast and innovative. See you next time!